Good morning, students. In our last lecture, we have seen that the servants of the house has refused to work because the white man was exist in the house, and they asked if the white man will remain in the house, we will not do any work. Okay, so they left the work early in the morning. They left the work and they were paid. They were paid. And what happened next? In the afternoon, the second thing happened. Hannah working hard on unaccustomed labor. Unaccustomed means unusual, labor means work. So the second thing which happened in the afternoon, Hannah was busy in her work, and she was not she was not usual she was not usual of such types of work. Saw a messenger came to the door in official uniform. She saw that a messenger came and he was in official uniform. Her hands went weak and she could not draw her breath. Okay, her her hand became very weak. Why? Because she thought that perhaps this messenger has come to arrest my husband, because early in the morning the servants have left the house. So she was thinking that perhaps they have informed to the authority about the existence of the white man in our house, and it was very difficult for her to breathe. The servants must have told already. She was thinking, it was her view that the servants have already told. She ran to Sadao, gasping, unable to utter a word. Okay, she ran to the Sadao, where Sadao was at that time, and she was panting. She was gasping, she was panting, and she was unable to speak a single word. Utter means speak, gasping means panting. But by then the messenger had simply followed her through the garden, and there he stood. Okay, and she was followed by the servant. She was followed by the servant, and she has gone through the garden door, and he stood. He means the messenger stood at the garden door. He pointed at him helplessly, and Hannah pointed out towards the room, that my husband is in that room. Sadao looked up from his book. Sadao was studying something. Sadao was reading something. He looked from the upper part of the book. He was in office, the other partition of which was thrown open to the garden for the southern sunshine. Okay, Sadao was in the office at that time, and some part of the door was thrown open to the garden side, because some southern sunshine used to come. Some southern sunshine came from that direction, so he was having a door to that side. What is it? He asked the messenger, and then he rose, seeing the man's uniform. Okay, and first of all, he asked a question from that man. What is it? How dare to come in my house? But when he stood up, he saw the uniform of the messenger. You are to come to the palace, the man said. The old general is in pain again. Okay, and the messenger said that you have to come to the palace because general is not well. He is in pain. Oh, Hannah breathed. Is that all? Hannah breathed. Hannah felt some relax after hearing this. Is that all? Oh, that is the thing. All? All? The master exclaimed. All the master. Master means the Dr. Sadao said, what do you mean by all? Is it not enough? Is it not enough that our general is in pain? Indeed it is. Indeed it is enough, she replied. I am so sorry. I am very sorry. When Sadao came to say goodbye, she was in the kitchen but doing nothing. Okay? When Sadao came to his wife to say goodbye, she was standing in the kitchen but she was doing nothing. It means to say something was going in the mind of that lady. The children were asleep, and she sat merely resting for a moment, more exhausted from her fright than from her work. The children had already slept. The children had already slept, and she was only resting for a moment, and she was feeling that she was exhausted, not from the work, but from her fear. She was not tired from the work, but she was tired from the fright. Okay. I thought they had come to arrest you, she said. She simply said that I thought that they have come to arrest you. He gazed down into her anxious eyes. He gazed into her anxious eyes. Okay. And uh, anxious. Anxious. Anxious means you can say worried. Okay. And Dr. Sadao gazed, stared, looked at the worried eyes of his wife. I must get rid of this man for your sake, for you. I will get rid of this man. He said in a distress. He said in a distress. Distress means anxiety. Parasani in Hindi. He said in anxiety that I will get rid of this man for you. Anyhow, somehow I must get rid of him. Anyhow, I must get rid of this man. Sadao goes to see the general. Sadao goes to see the general. Of course, the general said weakly, I understand fully. Okay. And Dr. Sadao has informed all the incident to general. And Sadao said, oh, I am understanding everything. But that is because I once took a degree in Princeton, so few Japanese have. And General started telling about himself that he was having a degree from Princeton. Very, very rare Japanese have such types of degree. I care nothing for the man excellency. Means to say, General wanted to say that I have got a degree from Princeton, so I was having some liking from the people of Princeton. But Sadao is explaining, I care nothing for the man excellency. Sadao said, but having operated on him with such success. Okay. Sadao said, my lord excellency, I have nothing to take from that man. I have nothing to take from that man excellency, your majesty, but I have operated the man and that operation was successful. It means to say I have saved the life of that man. Yes, the general said, it only makes me feel you more indispensable to me. General said, yes, I am understanding everything, but at this time you are very necessary. You are very necessary for me. Evidently, you can save anyone. Clearly, you can save the life of anyone because of your skill. Because all your skill is to save the life of a dying man. You say you think I can stand on more such attack as I have had today. Okay. And so, the general asked a question from Dr. Sadao. Sadao, you have told me that I can face one more such attack as I have today. Not more than one, Sadao said. Sir, not more than. You cannot bear one more, not more than one attack. Then certainly I can allow nothing to happen to you. Okay. Then, Mr. Sadao, I will never allow to happen anything with you. The general said with anxiety, the general said with pain, worried, and his long Japanese face become expressionless. Okay, the general long face have lost its expression, which means that man was in deep thought. It means that the man was thinking something. You cannot be arrested, the general said, closing his eyes. The general closed his eyes and he said that you cannot be arrested. Suppose you were condemned to death. Suppose that you are arrested and you are sentenced to death. You are condemned to death. And the next day I had to have my operation. And next day, if I was having my operation, so what would happen to me? Okay, so here we can find out that general was thinking only about himself. At that time, general was thinking about himself because he was in pain. He has faced one attack and he cannot bear one. He can bear only one more attack. It means to say he was thinking about himself. There are another surgeons, Excellency, Sadao suggested, being trained by the Germans. Okay, Sadao said, Excellency, there are another surgeons hmm, surgeons, and they are also trained. I would consider the operation successful even if died. Okay, the best ones you have been trained by Germans. Sorry, I have missed some line. Sadao suggested that Excellency, there are another surgeons. None I trust. The general replied. General replied that no, I am not having trust on anyone. The best ones have been trained by German and would consider the operation successful even if died. And the general said that I consider that you are the best German. You are the best surgeon. ठीक है ना? You are the best surgeon. And during the operation or after operation, if I died, I would consider that it was successful. Yeah, it would be considered it was successful. I don't care for their point of view, and I don't think about this point of view. He said, it seems a pity that we cannot better combine the German ruthlessness with the American sentimentality. One suggestion was given. Here by the general. Is it possible that we can combine the German ruthlessness means cruelty to the sentimentality of to the American sentimentality, tenderness, emotional attitude. Then you could turn your prisoner over to the execution. Execution means death. Then you will turn your prisoner to the death. The general laughed. Oh no. And I could be sure you would not murder me while I was unconscious. Here one more thing, line is missing. It could be, I could be sure that you would not murder me while I was unconscious. And general is saying that I am very well aware about the execution, of that prisoner, but you means to say that you can murder, you can put to death to that American soldier, but I am thinking that when you are doing my operation and I am unconscious, you will not murder me. The general laughed. The general started laughing. He had an unusual sense of humor. As a Japanese, could you not combine these two foreign elements? He asked. The general asked, as a Japanese, you cannot combine both these elements.